How to put money on your Cash App card. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to put money on your Cash App card. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. To add funds to your Cash App account, open the app and go to the Banking tab, which is the icon that displays your Cash App balance on the bottom far left. If you have no money available in Cash App, that icon will look like a house or a bank building. Now, in Banking option, tap the Add Cash option and on the Add Cash screen, type the amount you want to add to your account and then tap on the Add option. If you have connected bank account, the funds automatically go into your account. If you do not have linked a bank account yet, you are prompted to link one to finish the process. Select Continue on the prompt. From the list of available accounts, select your banking establishment now. Go ahead and further enter your username and password for the account. You may be prompted to confirm your login. If so, follow the prompts to complete that confirmation. After you complete the linking, you receive a confirmation message that the accounts are linked. At this point, the transfer of funds should be complete. If not, go through steps 1 to 3 above to add cash to your Cash App card. After the money transfers, you can immediately use your Cash App card to access those funds. So, this is how you can put money on your Cash App card. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel Login Giants for similar helpful tutorials. See you on the next one.